Designed to protect vast areas of airspace, the S-400 can detect and engage multiple targets at the same time. Mounted on highly mobile launch vehicles, the system can quickly move into position and become operational within minutes. Its advanced radar network is capable of tracking aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and even ballistic missiles at long distances. As the launchers deploy and prepare for combat, every component works together as part of a sophisticated defensive shield. Then comes the moment of action. Missiles ignite with tremendous force, accelerating toward their targets at incredible speeds. With a range of up to 400 kilometers, the S-400 remains one of the most discussed and feared air defense systems in the world. Precision, protection, the S-400 triumph. S-400 or the Patriot or HQ-9? Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments.